Construction quality in new luxury buildings has become a growing concern in recent years, with issues surfacing well before the structures reach even a decade old. Industry reports from NAB and other housing organizations point to a persistent pattern. About 30% of newly completed luxury buildings face major post-completion problems, ranging from water intrusion to mechanical failures. These aren't isolated incidents. They reflect a broader trend where cost-saving measures and an emphasis on visible finishes take priority over structural soundness. Developers have discovered that focusing on high-end aesthetics, like marble countertops and custom lighting, allows them to command premium rents, even while using builder-grade materials behind the walls. For example, a unit may feature imported tile and designer fixtures, but rely on single-pane windows and minimal insulation. The result is a property that looks impressive during a tour, but quickly develops issues once tenants settle in. One Las Vegas project reportedly saved millions by using hollow-core interior doors throughout, while marketing luxury kitchens and spa bathrooms. Mechanical systems are another frequent source of problems. Many luxury buildings install HVAC equipment that's undersized for the building's actual needs, leading to uneven temperatures and frequent breakdowns. Residents in newer towers have reported that upper floors can be several degrees warmer than lower ones during peak summer months, a problem traced back to cost-cutting on climate control systems. Plumbing and electrical systems are often stretched to their limits as well, with leaks and outages emerging within the first few years of operation. Building exteriors are not immune to shortcuts. Developers often choose elaborate stone or metal facades for their visual appeal, but use the cheapest possible waterproofing membranes underneath. When these membranes fail, which can happen soon after the warranty period ends, water intrusion leads to mold, damaged interiors, and expensive repairs. In Miami, one high-rise reported water damage in nearly half its units after the first major hurricane, with investigations revealing widespread skipping of critical waterproofing steps. Even ultra-luxury projects like 432 Park in New York have faced multi-million-dollar lawsuits over structural defects and persistent maintenance issues. Soundproofing is a common area for cost-cutting as well. While standard practice calls for acoustic insulation between units, many new luxury buildings skip these steps to save on both time and labor. Tenant complaints about noise from neighboring apartments have become routine, with a recent PJM survey highlighting soundproofing failures as a top issue in new high-end construction. The savings benefit developers in the short term, but create ongoing frustration for residents. The consequences of these construction choices are significant. Engineers now predict that many luxury buildings completed in the past 5 years will require major system replacements or renovations within a decade, far sooner than the traditional 15 to 20-year life cycle. This means entire buildings may need to be vacated for repairs, temporarily removing hundreds of units from the housing market at a time when vacancies are already a concern. The cycle of premature repairs and renovations undermines the long-term value of these properties and leads to instability in the broader housing market. Warranty protections offer little reassurance. Most new construction comes with only 1 year of coverage for workmanship defects. By the time serious problems emerge, the original development companies have often dissolved, leaving homeowners associations or future owners responsible for costly repairs. The system incentivizes rapid turnover and minimal accountability, with developers moving on to new projects before the consequences of their cost-cutting are fully realized. What's left is a landscape of buildings that appear luxurious, but struggle to meet basic standards of durability and comfort. As these problems become more widespread, the underlying flaws in the current approach to luxury construction become harder to ignore. This shift in priorities doesn't just affect the quality of the buildings themselves. It also shapes who can actually live in them, and what kinds of homes are available for those who need more than just a studio or one bedroom.